Alright, so what's up guys, this is your poor boy, FPV, coming back at you. Finally the moment I've been waiting for. Been waiting for 2 months for these motors to come in. And they finally got them in, and I want to share this with you guys. I'm pretty excited about this, because this is going to be the start of my build tutorials. Let's see what we got in the package here. This is from Pyrodrone Hyperlight 2405 1722 kV high voltage edition. Yes sir. Ready to start a 6S build here. You're witnessing this as I am too. Oh yeah. Man, that is a sweet looking motor. That's probably one of the nicest ones I've had in here so far. Yes, I believe this is going to go really well with the build I'm fixing to start here. Can't wait to share this with you guys. Looks like they give you plenty of extra motor wire here. Yeah, I believe this is going to be a really good motor. It feels really light, really light. Man, that's probably the lightest motor I've held in my hands in here. Let's see what else we got in the box here. Got your prop nut there and some motor bolts. Let's see what else they give me here in the package. Nice little battery strap, add to the battery strap collection. Oh yeah, some Hyperlight candy. You guys don't need to see that. It's a solid looking motor right there. Can't wait to see how these things perform in the air. So what I'm bringing you today is I want to share with you guys a little bit of a parts rundown here, because I've been waiting. Been sitting on a good bit of these parts for probably about 2 months. You know, I work for a living, and none of these products that I'm using, I'm not being sponsored by any of these companies or anything like that. This is just a little something I'd like to share with you guys. But what I'm going to be working on here is a 6S build. I seen this frame right here, which is the Catalyst Machineworks Merica frame. My nephew, he got one around Christmas time and built it out, and man, I fell in love with it when I seen that thing move. It was super fast. So I figured I'd snag me one up, and I probably had this frame for, I know, about 2.5 months, and like I said, I work for a living, so getting the parts together for this build is taking a little time. Got other responsibilities, but I'm happy to share this with you guys. I'll be putting the Runcam Micro Sparrow on it. I wanted this camera, you know, for the 16:9 aspect ratio. That's what I'm running. I got the Fat Shark Dominator V3s, so that's going to be going on this build. Decided to go with the Icon ESCs, or Icon, however you say it. These look like they're going to be really nice. They're 35 amp ESCs capable of 45 amp bursts. They also have all your, I think you can get your telemetry and current data and all that stuff out of these things right here. So I believe that's going to be really nice. Going along in here, I'll be putting the Team Black Sheep VTX on here. This is just a little 25 to 200 milliwatt video transmitter. And of course, got the Pyrodrone Hyperlight F4 OSD. I just upgraded this to Betaflight 3.3, and I'm going to be enabling the F port on this because I'm going to be running a Free Sky receiver, little micro receiver. Just upgraded the firmware on it too, and I'm going to be putting a video on showing how to do all that, and hopefully I can get all this stuff working. I believe I will. Might take a little work. There it is. I got a cheap camera here. I'm recording from a little tablet, so you guys just have to bear with me. But this pretty much right here is the rundown of the parts for a future build here. And I hope you guys will stick around with me and really like this video and show some support. Maybe I can get a few subscribers. I believe this is going to be a really nice little build here. Reason why I went with these 2405s, low KV. I'm going to try out this 6S. I've noticed a lot of sag in my batteries and stuff like that. Flying with 4S and heavy props, so I figure maybe this would be a little bit more efficient system and should have plenty of power. I had never run a bigger motor. I noticed whenever I had a drone with 2207s, I had a Lumineer QAV Stretched X, and I was running Cobras 2205s, 2300 kVs, and man, that thing, it was solid. So I wanted bigger and better, and I bought the 2207 2300 kVs, and I think because of it being a heavier motor, it's plenty of power, but it being a heavier motor, it wasn't the same quad after I changed the motors out on it. I kind of broke all that stuff down and sold it, for another build that I had. Wanted to upgrade and try some of this newer stuff, the BL Heli 32 and whatnot. I'm really a big fan of it. I've never heard the motors sound so smooth as they do whenever you running that BL Heli 32 on it. And I'm pretty excited to try out some of the new features in Betaflight, and I'll be learning new little feature setup here too as well with this F port, running this little protocol. So all this stuff will take a little time, but I want to put some good videos out there and try to help people. I hadn't really seen a whole lot as far as people running things like that, and I'm sure there's some of you out there that they might have this stuff on hand and say, hey, why not just use it? It's supposed to be a little faster protocol. But guys, I'm in no way sponsored by any of these companies here. I just think they got really great products, especially Pyrodrone and Catalyst Machineworks. You can order something from them and it ships immediately, and as fast as the USPS will send it is as quick as you'll get it. So that's pretty much the rundown of the build there. Alright, so what's up guys? This is your poor boy FPV, just coming at you with a little sincere talk here. These products that I'm bringing to you, I work hard for these. They are paid for by my personal hard-earned money, and but I'm doing this in hopes that I can help somebody, because I've received a lot of help from some killer guys, when I was learning how to do all this, and I'm just hoping that maybe some of the content that I'm putting out there can help some of you guys out that, come across my videos in a little bit of need. I've had some struggles along the way, and YouTube and GitHub and all these other places have really helped me out a bunch, and I'm just trying to give back a little bit to the community. And like I said, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies that the products that I'm using and showing. So, you know, I'll leave some links below. If you see anything you like, click on the links. That would help me out. And this is your pool boy. Peace out.